Express the area under the curve f of x equals e to the negative x squared between x equal 1 and x equal 5 using the sigma or summation notation. Using the sigma summation notation, the area is the limits at n go to infinity of the sum as I go from 1 to n of f of x sub I times delta x, where f of x sub I is the height and delta x is the width. What is x sub I? X sub I is what we call the sample point. In this case, we will use the right endpoint. To express this as the sigma notation, we would need to find out what delta x is, what xi is, so that we can find f of xi. But delta x is the width. The width delta x is always b minus a over n. b is 5, a is 1, and n is simply n for now. So this is 4 over n. X sub I using the right endpoint is always a plus I times delta x, where a is 1, I is I, and delta x is 4 over n. So this is 1 plus 4i over n. And so the height of each of the rectangle is f of xi. But f of x is e to the negative x squared, so f of xi is e to the negative xi squared. But xi is 1 plus 4i over n. And so we can now write this area as the sum. The area is the sum as the limits as n go to infinity of I go from 1 to n. The height f of xi is now e to the negative 1 plus 4i over n squared times the width, but the width delta x is 4 over n. This width is not in the power. And we're done.